Hi, if you're looking to reset or pair your Apple TV remote, the Siri Remote, I believe this also will work with the other versions for the Apple TVs, you're gonna want to do this. So get your remote out, you're gonna want to go to settings, which you could probably do this anywhere in the system, but this is how I'm gonna show you it is doing something. As you can see under remote, when it's reset and connected back together, it will actually go away. So you'll have to do it pretty at a good press because sometimes it may not register them together. So watch the remote and the remote icon on screen. You'll see that it will say not connected. You saw it came up there. I did have the volume control not connected or not working yet in my system. But you saw it did do that. And if you had another remote and did that, it should pair with this system, which you'll want to get this Apple remote closer to the system because that's how you pair it. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see any other Apple related videos, please check in the description down below. And if you need to look for a remote, if you had lost it, check in the description down below. You could probably buy one there. And there may be other ways to use your iOS devices as a remote. Consider subscribing if you're not already. All right, see you. Thank you guys for watching. See you. Bye.